Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Polygon MATIC video update. And I just want to talk about the fact that we are actually having some decision, and I do think there are some little bit of patterns that I recognize that I'm going to talk about. And after hitting the 2.8, of course, we've been going down, and now we're potentially just moving sideways. And it seems like maybe we're having some accumulation phase and then continue to go to the upside as well, because the head and shoulder is not really playing out. Now the head and shoulders was your left shoulder, you have your head, potentially your right shoulder as well. Now remember, go to tradingview.com, open up this chart, and you can see the price level of 2.4. If this one get lost, back test the yellow line and fail, you're gonna down to the 1.9, and that's just how the patterns are actually forming up. Look at this, that is a line right there. Do you see that? That's a line right there. Now I'm actually going to remove this. I'm actually going to remove the pennant as well. Now the pennant didn't go all the way down to the target, but still it almost played out quite perfectly. Now this went from here to here, 8% drop, and then another 8% drop from there to there. Actually, what I'm going to do is from here, this was the pennant, and then it went 8% up. So I think the pennant actually played out, okay, played out perfectly. And ever since then, we've been finding support at this level, and this is a very, very strong level, which is going to be the 2.429. Now, potentially on the two-hour time frame, I do think that potentially you could be making something as a diamond chart pattern, because this is potentially one trend line just like that. You can have something like this, because there are a lot of touches right there right now, and then from here you could potentially make another one like that, and then from there this looks like that, could make the fact that it's looking like this, and then from here this one just looks like this one. Now when they appear in a downtrend, basically all it means is that when you're going down and down and down, and then you make that diamond shaped kind of pattern, then you're going to see this one rising back to 2.6 or 2.655 as well. So the good news is that when the diamond appears after a downtrend, that's actually positive, it's not negative. So the only way to invalidate this is you break out of this. Now look, the apex is very, very near. The apex is really, really near, and that's going to be by 2nd of January, just today, 9 o'clock, after some few 2-3 more hours left to actually make the decision. If it breaks down like this, then in my opinion it's gonna go back to 2.433, and then when you lose 2.433, go to 2.3, back test the 2.4, fail, then you're gonna dump all the way down to the 1.9, and then the head and shoulder is completely gonna play out. Now what if you actually break to the upside, because the decision of this apex is either you break down like this, or either you're gonna break up like that and go to 2.649 as well. So if you're not on the Discord as well, join us on the Discord and watch this Bitcoin critical update today and learn about stick sandwich candlestick, because a lot of coins are going to follow Bitcoin in the next coming few days. Now Bitcoin, in my opinion, in next week it could actually go to $59,000. If you want to know why, watch this video. And if it does go up, MATIC is going to follow up. And do not forget the fact that we are still on a technical journey to go to the 3.128. okay, we're not out of the woods yet. This could just be something like a head and shoulder and then never play out and then continue to that particular price level. I'm not saying we are still looking for this. Yes, you're going to look for that when you just break the neckline backtest and fail. Yes, you're going to go down. Basically, logically, technically, you are going to go down. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice, and anything I could be totally wrong. Now, if you don't know anything about the diamond candlestick, if you're new to the channel, I like to go to Google and then write in here diamond chart pattern in technical analysis. I'm going to open up the images just like that, and I just want to see this one that happens inside a downtrend. So I'm going to open up this one. It's called a diamond chart pattern, and from there you can see this is a bullish diamond pattern, and you can see after a downtrend you start to, like, been coiled up, and you make a diamond like this, and then you break out, and then you continue. And when it happens in an uptrend, that's bearish, and then you go down. So what did we do is, after the downtrend, look how this perfectly looks like a diamond. So you went down, went like this sideways, and then you made the diamond, and it seems like it's gonna reverse to go to the upside from there. So let's see what it does. I hope it breaks out and then go to 2.8 and then go to 3.1 finally. Yeah, so that's it for today's MATIC update. Hope you learned something new. Like this video as well, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.